my dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Let's start today's EVS class. Students, today we are going to start a new block 2, flowers, fruits and seeds. And students, we already know that all flowering plants have flowers. Today we will explore how flowers are important to the plant. I hope aim is clear to you all. Now students, here are 3 pictures of flowering plants that are going through some changes. You can see 3 pictures of flowering plants. So here is a question based on that picture. Question is, how are the 3 types of flowers different and similar? ये जो 3 types के flowers हैं वो कैसे different है और कैसे similar हैं? Clear? Now we will discuss the answers. We can see that each of the 3 flowers is of a different color and size. Each one also has a different number of petals. You can see their petals are of different number and their color are also different. All 3 flowers develop into fruits and so are similar in this way. So तीनों ही जो flowers हैं वो एक fruit में develop हो रहे हैं and in this way they are similar. I hope you understand the explanation of this question. Now students, we will see the chart. Type of flower: apple flower, watermelon flower and pomegranate flower. So the color of apple flower was white, watermelon yellow and pomegranate red. And the size was apple flower was big, watermelon small and pomegranate flower big. How many petals? Petals in apple flower few, watermelon flower few and in pomegranate flower many. So what was the changes observed? Change into fruits and seeds. किस में हमने change देखा इसमें? Fruit and seeds में change into fruit and seeds and change into fruit and seeds. I hope this chart is clear to you all. Students, do you know what does the similarity in the changes of the flowers tell us about their function? ये जो similarity हमने देखी है कि कैसे changes हो रहे हैं flowers के अंदर, what does this tell us about the function of flower? Let's discuss some important facts about this lesson. Flowers are the reproductive parts of flowering plants. They develop into fruits which have seeds in them. These seeds grow into new plants. I hope you understand that. Now students, it's time for higher order thinking question. Question is, how are flowers useful to us? Flowers हमारे लिए कैसे useful होते हैं? Let's discuss. Flowers are useful to us in many ways. We eat some flowers like cauliflower or use them to make special teas. We also eat fruits which develop from flowers. जो flowers से fruits develop होते हैं हम उनको भी eat करते हैं. Flowers are also used for decoration and to make cosmetics and perfume. Some flowers are also used to make medicines. I hope the explanation of higher order thinking question is clear to you all. Now, please open your content book of EVS lesson number 1, flowers. Flowers are of various colors, sizes and have a different number of petals. Some have a fragrance such as the jasmine and some do not have any fragrance such as the hibiscus. Flowers are the reproductive parts of flowering plants. They change into fruits. So you can see the picture. Flowers are also useful to humans. We use them in food for decoration, to make drinks, medicines, perfumes and cosmetics. Clear? You can see the pomegranate flower. Pomegranate flower change into pomegranate fruit. This fruit has seeds. You can see pomegranate जो flower है उसके बाद वो fruit में change होता है and this fruit has seeds. These seeds help in the growth of a new pomegranate plant. I hope you understand. Now students, this is a worksheet as 2.1. First question is, look at the pictures and write the difference between these two flowers. आपको इन 2 flowers के बीच में differences write करने हैं. First one is sunflower, then jasmine. So first one is number of petals, many or few. कौन से फ्लावर्स की पेटल्स मैनी है? यस, सनफ्लावर. सो वी विल राइट हियर मैनी एंड फ्यू. क्लियर. नेक्स्ट वन, साइज बिग और स्मॉल. कौन से फ्लावर का साइज बिग है, कौन से का स्मॉल है? यू विल राइट डाउन इन द गिवन बॉक्स. एंड वन अदर डिफरेंस. क्या अदर डिफरेंस हो सकता है इन दोनों के बीच में? इट कैन बी फ्रेग्रेंस डिफरेंस, लाइक sunflower doesn't have any fragrance but jasmine has fragrance. Clear? Question number 2. Why is a pomegranate flower important to the pomegranate plant? Pomegranate plant के लिए pomegranate flower क्यों important है? Pomegranate flower is important for the pomegranate plant because the flower changes into fruit. This fruit has seeds which grow into new pomegranate plants. Last one is, write how you can use these three flowers in different ways. हम इन तीनों फ्लावर्स का डिफरेंट वे में कैसे यूज़ कर सकते हैं? यू कैन सी द नेम ऑफ द फ्लावर रोज़. रोज़ का किस वे में हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं? वी कैन मेक अ ड्रिंक यूजिंग रोज़ पेटल्स. रोज़ पेटल्स से हम लोग ड्रिंक भी बना सकते हैं. एंड वी कैन मेक ऑल्सो कलर्स विद द हेल्प ऑफ पेटल्स ऑफ रोज़. क्लियर. नेक्स्ट वन इज़ मैरीगोल्ड. मैरीगोल्ड से वी कैन डेकोरेट आवर हाउस. एंड ब्रोकली, we can use it to eat like in salad. So you have to complete this worksheet. Now these are your practice questions. First one is, fill in the blanks. The jasmine flower has the dash petals as compared to the sunflower. So jasmine flower में कितनी petals होती हैं? Fewer या more? Yes, fewer compared to the sunflower. Next one is, the sunflower has dash petals as compared to the jasmine flower. So you have to complete this question. Now, what is the function of the tomato flower in the tomato plant? Tomato flower का tomato plant में क्या function होता है? Last one is, write 2 ways in which we can use marigold flowers. आपको 2 ways write करने हैं, इनके बेसिस पे हम marigold फ्लावर्स का कैसे यूज़ कर सकते हैं. सो यू हैव टू कंप्लीट दिस प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चंस. थैंक यू एवरीवन फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.